Hello, beautiful people. I woke up early this morning because I want to go check out some of the sites I visited when I was here about a year ago. If you remember, I did a walking tour of downtown Almaty. I'm gonna put a link in the description below if you want to check out that video. But anyway, I want to go check out those sites in winter, how they look like. So bundle up, it's minus 10 degrees. Come along, let's walk around in the snow and see how these sites look like. Vamos!
Guys, I found this cute cafe while I was walking here in Almaty. Let's check it out. Comics Cafe. Oh wow, check this out. It's all kind of comics. Hi!
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Is this your cafe?
Yes,
Yeah.
my name is Alina. Welcome to Comics Cafe.
Hey Alina, how did you get an idea for this kind of cafe? It's very original.
Oh, thank you. This is idea of my husband.
Ah, excellent. And you have all kinds of sweets,
Sweets,
chocolates,
coffee,
cafes.
chocolates, yes.
Nice.
You can read comics,
Yeah? Wow.
watch movie.
Yeah, look at this. It's a very original idea. Check this out, guys. Excellent. What time do you close here?
8:30.
8:30. Excellent. So can you just give the address? So if anybody comes in this area, they will stop by?
It's theytsb 49.
Okay, excellent. Well, guys, there you have it. If you want a coffee, sweets, and some comics, come to Comics Cafe.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You have the financial center in the back, and this here is the main square on the right side. Okay, here we are, the main square in Almaty behind me, and the administrative building. If you remember last time I was here, this area, especially the building, had some scars of the unfortunate events that had unfolded a couple of months before. Also those electronic panels, those LED panels behind me, they were burned. As you can see, they're all being fixed up and almost ready to go now. As good as new. Check this out. Check this out.
And this is it, really. I mean, it's kind of cold to stay outside for too long. I did not go to the Green Bazaar because anyways indoors, so it really doesn't change much in winter. But these were mostly the sights I wanted to see in winter. Beautiful, as you could see. It's like a winter wonderland here. Special hi to Alina, good coffee, cool cafe, nice concept. I'll definitely be back next time. But that's gonna be it this time, because tomorrow morning I gotta wake up early. I have a flight to Astana, so I'm gonna go chill for the rest of the day and take it easy. And it's gonna be it for this time, and I shall see you on the next video.